Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is BEAUTIES. I'm a YouTuber and a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. My brand name is Anastasis Signatures. Today's video is just going to be a simple look using affordable drugstore brands. You know, when you do makeup, you actually don't need to break the bank. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you here. If you just stumbled on this video and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe, like, and share the link. For all my old subscribers, thank you so much for joining me today. I've already cleansed her face using micellar water, and I've moisturized also and primed. Now I'm going ahead with foundation. When matching foundation, make sure you match your foundation to your neck. You can see how it blends. Her face is darker than her neck, and now you can see the blending. Don't you just love this? I used a Nigerian brand foundation, Jadris or something. I think it's Jadris foundation, yes. And NYX foundation, an American brand, a drugstore brand, affordable as well. I mixed both of them together to get her shade. Now I'm blending it in. And I'm going ahead with a cream blush. Tehila Cosmetics is a Nigerian brand as well, and it's also affordable. Going in with the concealer, Colourpop concealer and Adventure concealer. You can see the products I'm using are all drugstore brands and affordable Nigerian brands. And I'm sure you love this makeup. Now I'm going ahead with the concealer, a lighter shade of concealer to highlight her forehead, nose, bridge of her nose, under eye, and her chin. Just look at the concealer. When doing the under eye, make sure the person, your client, looks up to avoid creasing. I'm contouring the nose. I'm using a foundation to contour the nose. Now I'm going ahead again with the concealer to brighten the under eye before setting. I don't know, for some reason, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Before going in with the setting powder, I used a powder, just a normal powder, yes, from this palette, to highlight her under eye before going in with the Beauty by AD setting powder. Now I'm using powder to all over her face. I'm using it's a Nigerian brand as well, Bicham Ageless Cosmetic. This powder, I love it. I love it. It's smooth. I love the finishing. I'm also using it to contour, and it has at least all the shades you can ever think of. As far as you're in Nigeria, your shade is on this palette. And I'm going ahead to contour the nose as well. After you're doing wet contour, I also do dry contour. Now I'm done with the skin. Woohoo! Don't you just love this look? Now we are baking the under eye, the bridge of her nose, and doing reverse contour. One of the reasons why I love baking, especially for under eyes, because when you do your eyeshadow, if there's fallout, it doesn't go on the skin, it goes on the powder, so you can dust it off right after you are done with the eyeshadow. I just applied eyeshadow primer, that's Benign Clown White. For transition, I used the powder from the powder palette, the same shade I used for the nose contour. Now I'm going ahead for the all over eyelid. I'm using this dark brown shade from Morphe palette. I love this shade. If you are yet to subscribe and you have gotten to this point, I think you should subscribe at this time. You see, now I'm dusting off fallout from the eyeshadow, and I went back and reapplied more setting powder for baking. Don't you just love this eyeshadow? Oh my goodness, I could have just left it like this instead of applying pigments to it. It's so beautiful. Smoky eyes. Now I'm blending out to avoid harsh lines. This is what I said earlier. I thought I was recording, meanwhile I was not recording, and I went ahead to apply pigments. I used Luster's pigment. I'm applying mascara before putting the lashes. Woo! Can you see? Lashes makes a whole lot of difference. Now I'm trying to blend in the lashes with her lash. Just apply the brow tamer, letting it to dry out before I do the brows. Now I'm applying gel liner, Tehila Cosmetics gel liner, to line the eyes. I'm doing the brows using my Davies eyebrow pencil. Concealing the brows or highlighting the brows. I use the same foundation I used on her. Now I'm going ahead to do the lips. I use this Blossom lip palette. I use the black shade and a brown shade, like a very light brown shade, and mixed it together to line the lips. Now I'm blending out the lining before I apply the lipstick on it. I use the Avo Cosmetics lip stain. I love this shade. It's a nude shade of lipstick. I'm trying to blend out the lip. When doing your lips, lip is one thing that I spend time on, because you need to blend it out to have a smooth finish and a well blended finish. Keep blending and blending and blending the lipstick with the liner. You can see how it turned out. Don't you just love it? Reapplying the powder, because now we just touch up. I just applied mascara to the bottom lashes, and I'm going ahead to do the blush using the Beauty blush palette. I love this blush palette. I'm dusting off the under eye. Wow, I love. Did you see the glow? I love this glow. Applying highlighter on the nose, bridge of the nose, and I use this setting spray from Beacham Ageless. This setting spray is an OG. You need to get it. It's very, very good. Ooh, now here's the finished look. Don't you just love this look? You see, the look is popping. She's so happy. Wow. Thank you so much for joining me, for watching this video. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.